Let's go on this side. Yeah, there's some... Still trying to figure out the 10 dB antenna. It does make a difference of just certain angle and vertically, and I'm gonna try to keep the control, even though I have my neck strap thingy for the transmitter. I try to keep the transmitter in my lap so it doesn't move, so it's in a fixed spot. So wherever I put the antenna, I'm not flipping and flopping or moving. If I just had them in my arms, probably would be more prone to change the angle of the antenna. So, trying to avoid that. Oh, that is a squirrel. See, I saw the movement, but I wasn't sure if it was a leaf. Same color. I don't hear the ball bouncing. I'm guessing they left already. That's fast. Oh, they're still there. Just not throwing the hoop. Whoa! Okay.